How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to Norway. We've got snow, we've got cold, we've got Scania. So we're here for the Scania Winter 2020 event, where I'm hoping to learn a little bit more about the brand, find out what it's all about. Scania tends to be a little bit elusive in the vlog world, so yeah, really looking forward to learning some more, and let's have some fun in the snow. So I'm just having a wander around the trucks. I'm really enjoying the different combinations that they run over here. So yeah, you got it's almost like a rigid with the Arctic trailer, and then over here you've got the R580, the tipper, with the tipper trailer on the back also. But yeah, no, really interesting combinations. And it's fantastic to see them working hard in these conditions. All of these trailers are all fully loaded, they're all running at maximum, and even in these conditions it's crazy that, you know, there's no messing around, there's no slipping, there's no getting stuck on hills. Driving these trucks down through forest roads which are like this, and they are ice, and the trucks aren't even hesitating, they're not even getting stuck. All right, I know by legislation they've got to run winter tyres over here, and that makes a massive difference, but considering the weights and everything they're pulling, it's really interesting to see. We got another combination coming round, I think. What's this? Oh no, this is a little rigid coming round, the hybrid in fact. We've got the L series here, the low cab. But yeah, just to experience the brand, and this is the first time that we, you know, really seeing what's what with Scania on the channel, and it's the first of many. So here we have our hybrid trucklet. That's very spooky to drive, that is, because yeah, when they cut it's just silent, like absolutely silent. It's brilliant to see. Very quiet. There we go. We have the 6x6 tipper over here. Snowplough somewhere, not quite sure where he is, but I think he's going to be needed to get back out of here in the coach in a bit. But yeah, just to experience the brand, to see what it's about, and just get to know, like, there's lots of Scania executives there and stuff like that, so being able to chat to them about the brand, about what we do, it's been really nice. And yeah, and this place, it's just amazing. The weather we've had today has been, you know, wet and cold, but the snow is just fantastic. I think it's about -5 here at the moment, with a wind chill of like -15. have another combination, another common combination over in Norway. So we have the R580 tipper, and on the back of it, it's got another little tipper, which apparently is, it can be a bit lively in these conditions because the trailer tends to push the unit round a little bit, which sounds fun to me. I wouldn't mind that. But yeah, some nice wagons over there. There's some very nice wagons. But this, I know I keep mentioning it, but we need to be doing this. You know, there's so much talk about trying to reduce emissions and all that sort of stuff. So this is what we need to be looking at. These sorts of combinations. The R650, what we would call a rigid with an Arctic trailer, almost. But yeah, running at 60 tons. Very, very good. There we go, you can see it there now. What a beast. There we have the R580 XT. Very nice bit of kit these are. I do like these. I really like the aggressive styling, the high sort of ground clearance and stuff like that. This is the 8-wheeler tipper. Very nice bit of kit. So yeah, anyway, I've had a fantastic time in Norway. I just want to say a massive thank you to Scania for having us here. And we're talking about working very closely in the future, doing some more projects and stuff. So, but yeah, really, really enjoyable trip. The only downside is it's not been long enough. There's so much more that I wanted to cram in, but I got a few more videos coming. We've got some head cam videos, so that's interesting to see in the snow. through the forest and stuff like that, and seeing the capabilities of these trucks, which is actually quite stunning. So yeah, from me, from Norway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.